In this video, you'll be learning how to vanish a coin. Watch closely. You take the coin, just like this, and it's gone. And now it's time to learn. You will need a coin. That's right. I recommend a quarter that should be small enough for your hands. And this is how you want to hold your right hand if you're right-handed. Think of the Lego little people, little tiny toys. Do you know what their hands look like? Can you picture that? It's like this, right? A Lego hand. So I want you to make a Lego hand, just like this. And into your Lego hand, you're going to place this quarter just like this. And with your left thumb, you're going to push that coin just like this, slightly, and it's going to fall right inside of that cup. So right inside of that hand that's hiding the coin from this side. Now the difficult part is not to move the fingers in your right hand, and that's why you're using the left thumb to give it a little nudge, a little push so that it falls. And that in magic is called the French drop. Lego hand, coin. And now you know how to secretly vanish a coin.